Hey guys, it's Kay. I hope you're all well. Now today I want to talk about the Raspberry Pi 4 and the new firmware upgrades that are available. Now this new firmware focuses on reducing power consumption and board temperatures. So you can bet your top dollar that I'm going to be upgrading my Raspberry Pi 4 and I'm going to bring you along for the journey. So the first thing we need to do is boot up our Raspberry Pi and open up a command prompt. Now it turns out updating the firmware is a fairly straightforward process now with a newly updated utility, the rpi-eeprom-update. So to install the update, we need to update and upgrade your Raspbian and then install the rpi-eeprom package. To begin, type the following commands at the prompt. First, type sudo apt update. Next, type sudo apt upgrade. And finally, type sudo apt installed rpi-eeprom. Now I've detailed all these commands in the description below. Now as you can see, my Raspberry Pi is already up to date, so nothing was installed. And now finally, to check the status of the upgrade, type the following command: sudo rpi-eeprom-update. Okay, so here we can see the bootloader code is up to date and the VL805 code is up to date. And I can confirm that before the firmware update, the temperature of the processor was between 45 degrees centigrade at idle state, with the Pi4 flirt case acting as a heatsink. Now after the update, the temperature is now settling around 42 degrees centigrade, a nice improvement. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, give us a like and maybe even a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.